Hey guys, today I'm going to do a little bit of a refashion on this velvet dress that I found at a thrift store. So I got this dress with the intention of actually turning it into a maxi skirt. It's this really long, sort of like burgundy colored velvet dress, and I think I would like it a lot better as a maxi. If you can tell, the neckline seems a little bit dated to me. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make it into a maxi dress, and I don't think it'll be too hard. I'm just going to use some elastic that I had already on hand. I'm gonna cut it off right here where there's like a lining in the what's it called? There's a lining just like near where the bust is, so I'm gonna cut it off like right where that ends, and that should give me enough room for seam allowance and have a maxi skirt that's long enough for me. Because this is, even though I think this is supposed to be a maxi dress, it's like ankle length for me, so it's a little awkward. But if I turn it into a maxi skirt, then I can make it the right length, especially if I decide I want to wear heels to the party or to my party that I'm wearing this to. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this off, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a tube, and then I'll be able to thread this through, and I'll be done. So it's gonna be pretty quick and easy for a refashion. So thanks for watching, and cut to me actually cutting this up right now.